Salut à tous, it's Marie from justfrenchit.com. Bienvenue dans Vendredi Vocabulary. Today we are gonna learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 polite words in French.
Bonjour. Bon. Jour. Bonjour. Hello. For example, in this sentence, bonjour, je m'appelle Marie. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marie. Hello, my name is Marie. Bon. Jour. Your turn. Bonjour. Merci. Merci. It means thank you. For example, in merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Now let's say it together. Mère. Watch at your R. Mère. Si. Merci. Your turn on your own. Merci. When you refuse something in French, you have to say non merci. Non merci. It means no thank you. For example, do you want coffee? Est-ce que vous voulez un café? Non merci, je n'aime pas le café. Non merci, je n'aime pas le café. No thank you, I don't like coffee. Now let's say it together. Non, mère, si. Non merci. Your turn. Non merci. Now, to say please in French, there is two ways, and it depends on which personal pronoun you are using. If you are using vous, you need to say s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Vous is used when you are respecting the person or when you don't know the person. Vous. S'il vous plaît. However, if you know the person, and it's not that you don't respect him or her, it's just that you are casual, comfortable with them, you can use the personal pronoun tu. And if you are using the personal pronoun tu, you are going to say s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Okay? Both means please. For example, in this sentence, because you are using the personal pronoun tu, we are going to say s'il te plaît. Tu peux me passer le sel, s'il te plaît? Tu peux me passer le sel, s'il te plaît? Can you pass me the salt, please? Now, let's say it together. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Casual way. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Now your turn. S'il vous plaît. S'il te plaît. To say sorry, it's very easy. You just have to say pardon. Pardon. For example, you bumped into someone in the street. Oh, pardon, monsieur. Pardon, monsieur. Sorry, sir. Okay, now let's say it together. Pardon. Pardon. Your turn. Pardon. And finally, the last of the polite words that you need to start speaking French is excusez-moi or excuse-moi. Again, just like s'il vous plaît and s'il te plaît, it depends on which personal pronoun you are using with the person you are interacting with. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi, first one, is when you are using the vous pronoun. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi is the one for tu. Okay? Let's look at a sentence. Excusez-moi, je peux avoir de l'eau? It's the type of sentence you would say to a waiter at a restaurant, for example. Excuse me, can I have some water, please? Excusez-moi, je peux avoir de l'eau? S'il vous plaît. Excusez-moi, je peux avoir de l'eau? Now let's say the first version together. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Second version. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Okay? Now your turn to say them. Excusez-moi. Excuse-moi.
There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, check out the playlist French for Beginners, and I'll see you next week on Just French It. À la prochaine!
And if you are a beginner, I recommend you download the Roadmap to Fluent French. It is a step-by-step guide on how to learn French. The link is in the description below the video, so go and check it out.